continuous, we change it to the past continuous. So let's take an example again to illustrate. They are going home. So our tense there is present continuous. When we're reporting this, we simply change it to the past continuous. Said that they were going home. Alright, so we can see it. What we have here now is we're going from the present continuous to the past continuous. You know what determines the present and past continuous is the use of this is the present form of the be verb or the verb to be, while it's the past form of the verb to be. So that is how we change from the present continuous to the past continuous. Now we can also have a situation where we have the present perfect tense. In this case, we simply change to the past perfect. So it's the same order. We'll just take example to illustrate. We have solved the problem. We have solved a problem. Now, we can report this by saying, he said they had solved the problem. So again, the difference now is in this, which indicate present, then this is the perfect tense, and now here we have this one, past and then perfect. So while this is present perfect, this is past perfect. Alright, so we'll take 4. In 4, it's the same thing. We have the present perfect continuous. We'll not change to the past perfect continuous. So let's take an example there. I want to change the pattern from this number 1, because sometimes we can write the problem either directly like this, or we can say that he said. That is this is not direct report. This is not direct report. He said, I have been waiting then 2, we will not have, he said that he had been waiting. So, sorry, we don't have any position marks direct one. So again, we'll simply have a change from have to had. All other things will remain the same, because what we'll have here is the present perfect continuous, while here will be the past perfect continuous tense. Then 5. What if it is in the simple past? If it's in the simple past tense, what happens? Let's take our simple past tense example. If it's in the simple past, we change to the past perfect tense. So let's take an example. He said, James drove the car. Now we can have, he said that James had driven the car. So what we have here, from the simple past tense, indicated by the word, the verb drove, we now have the past perfect tense had from the simple past tense. Now, we'll take number 6. What of if we have a case of the future, the future tense? For example, the simple future tense. What do we do? Let's take an example to illustrate. He said, well, it can also be she said. It doesn't matter whether we use he or she. Anyone can go. I will be in New York tomorrow. Then, if we are reporting it indirectly, to be, we said that he would be in New York, the next day. Now, what has happened is that this will, which is the present form of this auxiliary verb, changes to the past form of the auxiliary. So it is also the issue of being changing from present to past, but this time it's not the future tense has changed, but what has changed is the element in the future tense that has changed from the present form of the will to the past form would.